Vicks Personal Steam Inhaler provides easy-to-use relief that requires no filter and is designed to work with regular tap water. No need for a portable nebulizer. This convenient sinus inhaler provides relief with a quick 5 to 15-minute treatment for fast relief during any season. The Personal Warm Mist Humidifier delivers symptomatic relief from cough, congestion, and allergies by providing a targeted, non-medicated steam to penetrate sinus, nasal, and throat passages for fast relief. It is a must-have for cold, flu, and allergy seasons. Experience the Vicks difference for extra soothing comfort by using VapoPads with your Vicks Sinus Inhaler. A variety of soothing scents are available to help provide relief, and the quick, convenient treatment can help you breathe easier and sleep more comfortably. Steam intensity. For more steam, move the steam disc control clockwise for maximum steam. For less steam, move the steam disc control counterclockwise for minimum steam. Steam inhaler will automatically shut off when water runs out. Fill water reservoir with up to 2.5 tablespoons of cool tap water. Do not fill above heating element. Use with water only. Do not add any essential oils, medications, or inhalant liquids such as Vicks VapoSteam or Cas inhalant to the water reservoir. Vicks Steam Inhaler can be used with Vicks VapoPads to provide up to 8 hours of soothing vapors. One free sample of menthol VapoPad is included with the device. Gently slide out the VapoPad tray from the back of the top housing. Open VapoPad sachet by tearing notch on pad bag. Do not touch pad with hands. If pad is touched, do not rub face or eye as it may cause irritation. Insert Vicks VapoPad with angled end at the front of the tray. Up to 2 scent pads can be inserted, one in each slot of the VapoPad tray. Push VapoPad tray into close. When VapoPad is dried and no longer providing scent, will take approximately 6 minutes to begin making steam. Place your face over the mask. Do not rest your face on the mask. Breathe normally through your nose and mouth, inhaling steam into your nasal and throat passages. Continue treatment for 5 to 15 minutes.